Good morning! What is that? What is that? Okay, nothing. I'm thinking of going to the city today, pero hindi ko alam. Pupunta ba ako or what? Kasi, nag-film ako ng videos kahapon, diba? 2 videos. Oh shoot, I need to edit. Never mind, I need to edit pala. Siguro after niyan, and feel ko pa rin pupunta ako. Gusto ko lang mag-catch ng Pokemon. Gusto ko lang lumabas ng bahay and mag-catch ng Pokemon. And then sa city lang yung maraming Pokemon na alam ko. Maraming Pokemon somewhere, pero hindi ko alam kung paano pumunta doon. And kapag pumunta ako ng city, alam ko na susunduin ako ni Dan. Actually, hindi ko alam kung susunduin niya ako. So I need to ask him that. And then, yeah, we'll see. I'm having my coffee right here. And then, my biscuit is yung Miss. Ganun. Mas prefer ko to kaysa sa dun sa isa. So, yes. You guys, hindi ako pupunta ng city kasi chinek ko yung weather and merong 40% chance na uulan. So, ayoko naman na uulan sa city, tas nandun ako. So, hindi ako pupunta sa city. Siguro bukas. Meron talaga akong parang cut sa dila ko. Na ano ko siya kagabi. Parang nakagat ba? Yeah, nakagat ko siya kagabi when I was eating my dinner. Kainis. Tapos ngayon parang, yeah, meron siyang cut doon. Kainis. Anyway, I have been applying this on my lips non-stop because my lips have been really crazy. Meron ako dito, oh. That one. Ano siya, nag-crack siya. So, I've been applying this. You guys know I apply this every night. Tapos ngayon, during the day, na-apply ko na din siya. So, I bring this with me all the time. Nilagay ko siya sa pocket ko. Hello! I'm watching Tati's video, yung new drugstore makeup try-on. Pagkatapos ko lang maligo, ang lamig-lamig. Nakalimutan ko naman i-close. Lagi sinasabi ni Dan, bakit hindi mo kina-close yung shower door? Nakalimutan ko lagi. Kasi pagkatapos ng shower, kapag in-off ko na yung tubig, labas ako agad. Kuha ko agad ng tawag ko kasi ang lamig-lamig. Grabe. Hala, nasan yung... yung isang contacts ko nasa living room. Doon ko kasi siya tinanggal kagabi. Anyway, I will be using my old contacts then. Yung merong dark brown sa border, ganun. Ayaw mag-focus ni camera today. Yun yung gagamitan ko. Magko-contacts ako, tapos skincare, tapos ganun. Sabi ni Dan, maaga daw siya uuwi. Diba sabi ko kanina, merong 40% chance of rain? Wale, hindi umulan. Pero okay na rin kasi na-edit ko na yung video ko. So siguro bukas na ako lalabas. I do not know. I'm still not sure. I have this video in mind that I really wanna film. It's a rant video. I really wanted to rant about something na matagal ko na actually gusto i-rant. Actually, na nagsishower ako kanina, nagra-rant ako. Ganyan ako, kinakausap ko yung sarili ko. Baliw na ba ako? Lagi ko naman kinakausap yung sarili ko, as in lagi talaga. So yeah, baliw nga ako. So basta, gagawin ko yung video na yun. Hindi ko pa alam kung kailan. Siguro bukas or Friday. My gosh, tinawagan ako ni Dan kaninang umaga. Meron bang boobies dyan? Wala. Tinawagan ako ni Dan kaninang umaga. Sabi niya, hey, nag-volunteer ako na tayo mag-host ng dinner sa Friday. Sabi ko, what? Bakit ka nag-volunteer? Kaloka ka. Tapos kompleto, lahat ng pamilya. Nandito na yung mama niya. Tapos, yung kapatid niyang lalaki, darating din. Kasama yung mga anak nila. Kaya, nilipat nung Friday. Nasabi ko na to sa previous vlog eh. Nilipat na Friday kasi, kapatid niyang lalaki, yung kuya niya, may anak na nag-aaral. And, ayaw nilang palabasin sa Wednesday. So, sa Friday na lang. Kaya, nalipat sa Friday yung schedule ng aming dinner. And yeah, nag-volunteer tong taong to, kaloka. Naplano ko pa na naman sana na sa Friday ako mag-film. I-film ko yung August favorites ko. And then, one more video na hindi ko pa alam kung ano-ano. Alam ko na mag-rant ako. Though sabi niya siya daw magluluto. Magluluto daw siya ng pasta. So, we'll see about that. Hindi na ako magluluto ng adobo. So, hindi na siya ganun ka-stressful. Something is on my eye. Ayoko din na mag-adobo na sobrang dami. Kasi hindi ko kakayanin yun. Bakit masakit yung mata ko? By the way, yung in-apply ko is yung toner from Mario Badescu. Like that. And I have been loving this actually. I've been using this non-stop ever since I got this. So, after ko linisin yung mukha ko, after shower or after ko siya linisin, naglalagay ako ng toner. So, yun yung na-add sa skincare routine ko. Ito yung aloe vera na toner. So far, so good. Wala pa akong nakita as in super drastic na change. But yeah, I got this from Sephora PH. If you guys are interested, ooh, I will leave the link below. Oh, sabi dito, cruelty-free. Bongga! Cruelty-free siya. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Mag-ano na ako. Magsiserum na ako. By the way, itong serum, my goodness. Naano ko siya, natapon. Dito pa sana to eh. Tapos ngayon dito na lang kasi natapon ko siya. Parang nasagi ko siya sa dito ko. Bad girl, bad girl. Hello! Nasa tripod kayo. Nasa malaking tripod kayo. Wait. The next kasi done, bilhan niya ako ng mga kung anik-anik para sa dinner namin. So, I'm gonna prepare our dinner. Kailangan ko lang siyang i-marinate. Kaya lang, kulang pa ako ng ginger. Tapos oyster sauce. Yeah, yun lang actually yung kulang ko. And then, next ko din sa kanya, bumili ka na din ng corn chips if you can find one. Sabi niya, punta na lang tayo ng Foodland. Okay. Gagayahin ko yung trick ni Ann kung paano niya ika-crush yung garlic. Pakita ko sa inyo. Gumagamit siya ng ano, diba? Ng baso. Nagtakot ako gamitin yung baso. Pero, yung ginagawa ko kasi is, yung, ano ba yung ganyan? Knife. Tapos ginaganyan ko. Tapos masakit siya sa kamay minsan. So, I'm just gonna use this baso. And we'll see. Ay, hala, patay, patay. Feeling ko medyo harsh siya. Okay. Okay. I think kailangan ko ng baso na flat yung dito. Wait. Ito lang yung baso na parang feeling ko hindi mababasag kapag ginamit ko. Para sa dito. Ay. Babe?
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, babe. What I was going to say, I didn't mention it to you before, but also, you know how, Mum's going to come over tomorrow and help with the sauce.
Right? Tumawag si Dan. So, diba you guys, sabi ko sa inyo na magdi-dinner kami sa Friday. Sa Thursday, pupunta yung mama niya, magdi-dinner din kami sa Thursday. Pero yung mama lang niya, yung sa Thursday. So, sabi niya, Thursday, bukas. So, sabi niya, magluto daw ako ng chicken adobo bukas. Ano ba yan? Tapos, chicken din yung ulam namin today. Kita nyo yan? Chicken. So, I do not know. Hindi niya man sinabi sa akin kanina na dito pala magdi-dinner yung mama niya. Ngayon lang niya sinabi. Kasi sabi niya kanina, pupunta yung mama niya dito bukas para tulungan kami sa dinner. Makes sense din naman, diba? This is actually working. I like this. You guys! I've been trying to open this for like, I do not know, 10 minutes now? I can't! Kailangan ko lang naman sesame oil. Bakit may ganito pa kasi? Kainis! Ayaw niya ma-open. Palang feeling ko sobrang tight niya na hindi mag-grab ng aking opener. Ay, nako, ewan ko. I didn't really vlog, you guys. Sumakit yung ulo ko kanina, as in heavy, heavy, heavy. This is I'm gonna show you guys our dinner. Why? My face is so flushed. I'm blushed and in love. Yan yung dinner namin. Yan yung dinner namin. Please don't mind all those because, yeah, we're not gonna eat those. Ito. Yummers! Baked chicken with whatever. Yan. Kain tayo! Hello! Ano yun? May maingay. It's siguro mga 8 na. Pupunta kami sa shops. Bibili kami ng ingredients para sa sauce bukas. Kasi diba pupunta dito yung mama ni Dan. Tutulungan niya kami paano lutuin yung sauce para sa pasta kasi hindi kami marunong. So we will buy that. And then we will buy chicken for the adobo as well. So I have my list right here. And let's go. Diyan kami pupunta sa Kohl's. Ano ba ginagawa niya? What are you doing, boo? Come on, boo. Careful. Pretty tight. Don't scratch the black car. The gray car. I look like a gangsta, babe.
You do.
Look at me with my hat.
Chinese gangster.
With my $1 hat. I'm not Chinese.
Yes, you are.
Filipino gangsta.
Ni hao.
Ni hao. Banana, banana, banana. We've been having smoothies a lot lately, like just banana smoothie. So yeah, we still have bananas left, right? No, no more? You finished it all? Dang, man. Onion and garlic. Here's garlic, babe. $2.50. And then onions. Just one?
Yeah, just one.
Okay. You want me to pick?
You pick.
I'll pick. Chaka. Okay, that looks better.
Yes.
What else? Rice. Minced beef. Chicken. Hello, babe. Chicken. Pasta, 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 pasta. You want the penne, babe?
Probably.
Like this? There. 2 for 3. Lulutuin namin yung sauce bukas. Tapos yung dinner sa Friday pa. And ito yung pasta. Matabang pasta. Let's go. Rice. That's it. Oh, right there, babe. We're on the right aisle. Perfect. Basmati rice. I do not know what that is. Half price. 11, babe. Jasmine rice. Hello. Ooh. Tagay. So bright. Thank you, babe. Done, done, done. Meron kaming dalawang bags. And that's it. We're ready to roll. Rock and roll. Hey.
So we got all that coke there. And I don't want to get confused with the old bottles and the new bottles.
How about the Coke?
No, they'll get thrown away tomorrow. Just letting you know.
Why will they throw away the Coke?
They'll get thrown away tomorrow. They will get thrown away tomorrow.
Why are you going to throw it away?
Because you don't drink it, it's just...
I do!
No, you don't. It's
I
going,
drink it.
It's going tomorrow.
Shut it!
Because I'll get confused.
You're not throwing it away. Why are you going to be confused? Those are open, the other one's not. You're not throwing it away, babe. Don't waste Coke. You're so mean to the Coke. Anyway, hindi ako mag-haul kasi nakita niyo na naman yung mga binili namin. Where are you going? Can you put us in the room, please? Thank you, babe. Sabi niya, itatapon niya daw yung Coke bukas para daw hindi kami malito sa bagong Coke at sa lumang Coke. Sabi ko, paano ka malito yung bagong Coke? Hindi na open. Yung lumang Coke, obviously, na open na. Tapos konti na lang. Itong taong to, maloka. Sino nagtatapon ng Coke? Ay, naku. Anyway, liligpitin ko lang to, you guys. And then, siguro magsusmoothie kami. Parang gusto niya ata ng smoothie. Please let me know kung meron kayong mga masarap na smoothie na recipe, char recipe. Kasi we're really into smoothies right now. Kasi nga, binigyan kami ng blender ng kapatid niya. Yung chicken wings at saka yung drumstick, kailangan ko silang i-marinate bukas. Plano ko sana pupunta ako ng city bukas, pero because pupunta dito yung mama niya at saka yung stepdad niya. So, yes. So, this is for tomorrow. Babe, right? Yeah. Minced beef. Hala, babe! 0.7. And, oh, wow! Look at this, babe. Perfect. 1 kilogram. Wait. Yeah.
It is.
So this is 2 pounds is 1 kilogram. We're like 0.9 something. So this is 4 pounds.
Okay.
Both of them. Okay, that's easy. Good morning, guys. Nandyan na naman kayo because I will do voiceover dito sa makeup hacks ko. I woke up not very early today. We woke up 8:30. Tapos, yeah, umalis na si Dan. And then, pag-alis niya, I had my coffee. Tapos, nandito ako sa harap ng aking lapi. Natapos ko na yung first part ng pag-edit ng video. And, I was thinking kanina, nung nasa bed pa ako, I was thinking, do you guys want to see shower routine video? And gusto ko gawin yung morning routine. I will do that for sure. I just do not know when. Kailangan ko kasi siyang gawin kapag hindi masyadong nagmamadali si Dan. Kasi of course, he's part of my morning routine. You know what I mean? Like, kasi like, you know, I need to set up the camera. Like, you know what I mean? It's just so complicated. But I wanted to do the shower routine video. But yeah, let me know if you want me to do that because I will do it. Oh crap. Now, I can't do the voiceover now. Inon ko yung dishwasher. Ang ingay. Mamaya pa ako makakaano. Anyway, isa-save ko na lang to. Ang ingay, diba? Ang ingay, grabe. Okay. Anyway, isa-save ko na lang to. Tapos, maya ko na lang siya gawa ng voiceover. Nakakainis. Hello! Hi guys! Pupunta kami sa Coles? Are we? Yes.
I'll go to Foodland.
Oh, Foodland. We will buy...
Actually, I'll go to Coles.
Oh, this guy! We will buy some food.
As always.
Yes. Bibili kami ng kind of like a snack while waiting for the, you know.
Oh, don't bloody...
What don't bloody what?
It was fine.
It was close.
Ah, bullshit.
It was so close.
It was fine.
No.
It was fine.
Don't bloody. Oh, that's a beautiful mini, babe.
It is a nice one.
It is. Pag yumaman ako, bibili ako ng mini.
We'll buy you one of the original ones, babe, instead.
The
old
original
ones.
mini? No, Chaka.
The old ones.
I don't like the original mini. It's Chaka. And don't tell me you will buy me one because I'll remember. This is what we have. Cheese, biscuits, or cracker, and coffee. I'm gonna try this Moccona Classic Dark Roast Coffee. Yes, and we're heading home. Hello! My adobo is simmering right there. Naka-on na yung timer ko for 40 minutes. So, siguro in 15-20 minutes, darating na yung parents niya. So, yes. Magluluto yung mama niya tonight ng sauce para sa bukas. Pasta sauce. Sinabi ko kay Dan kanina na i-vlog niya. We'll see kung gagawin niya. Hindi ko siya i-vlog kasi ayoko nahihiya ako eh.
And you put the bread down is when you put your meat in. You brown the meat.
Yeah. Oh, really? So it's like you're cooking it the whole time? We cook it all night. Okay, I really go with TV. You just take it on and do it for your head. Oh, yeah.
Mum.
What are you doing? No, I'm tagging.
What would you like to say to Rhazel's viewers?
I film videos every day and look at what I'm wearing. You look pretty cool with that from my red doll. I just want to see how my TikTok works.
Yeah. It's just basically brown the onions.
The guy the later.
Hello! Tapos na kami mag-dinner. Umalis na sila yung sauce. Still cooking. So, yeah, yun yung sauce namin bukas. And that's basically it for this vlog. I need to edit my video later on. Gagamitan ko yung labi niya. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Be good. Bye.